Hi there, this is the Mize Homeware Kitchen Premium Set. Comes with a grinder, salt and pepper shaker that's refillable. Also comes with a nice little brush. This is a cleaning brush that you can use to clean out, little utensils and stuff in the kitchen. Comes with a julienne peeler, which has two blades. It's very sharp. Comes with this nice little silicone pink funnel that collapses. This is great for filling the salt and pepper shakers. The salt and pepper shakers itself the bottom is made of glass. They're both the same. I didn't notice anything different about them. The top does remove. The bottom is dishwasher safe. According to the package, it does state that you are not supposed to ever wash this part. The little dial, you twist to make it more coarse or fine. And I am going to fill it so we can see how well this works. I'm using a coarse Himalayan salt. I would say that works really well. As you can see, that is really fine. Compared to what's in the jar is pretty big crystals. If you would like to know more about this, I will be linking this to my blog post, which will be below. Thanks for watching.